I'm back in my greenhouse, and today I'm going to give you a very practical tip to control pests on your plants. It can be used on small bugs such as aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, mealybugs, and scale. And it's a simple soap solution that just has two ingredients: water and dish soap. One other thing you need is a spray bottle. You can get these at the dollar store, or you likely have one kicking around your home. First step is to fill the bottle with a quart or 1 liter of cold water. Not quite to the top, leave a bit of space. My bottle is small, so I actually only have half a quart or about 500 milliliters in it. Next, get yourself some natural dish soap, ideally unscented. Mine is scented with lavender and mint, and I think that actually can also repel insects that don't like the smell, as well as deer, so it might work better than unscented. You can actually also use shavings from a natural bar of soap, but then use hot water rather than cold, so that the shavings can melt, and let the solution then cool before you use it on your plants. Add about a teaspoon of soap per quart or liter to your bottle. Since I'm just using half, I'm going to use half a teaspoon. Maybe a little bit more. Screw on the top and give it a mild shake or swirl to mix the soap. Not too much, otherwise you'll get lots of bubbles. And now it's ready. Now go to your plant and spray on the bugs. I don't have any on this leaf, but if I had, this is what I do. I recommend doing this in the morning when the sun is not blasting on your plants. This gives the solution a chance to dry before the sun comes. Also check the underside of the leaves. Often bugs will hang out there to stay cool in the heat of the day and to hide from predators and from you. You may need to spray a few times during the day for the best effect, and avoid spraying on ladybugs or other beneficial insects. And that's it. Have a spray bottle of this handy next to your plants, and keep an eye for pest infestations and catch them early enough. Now, this won't deal with all the pests in your garden. I cover that more fully in Seed to Table, my monthly paid membership, where you can also bring pest problems and I'll help you find the best solution to deal with them. Have a great day.